Hey, today I will show you one of the latest features of Ventuz, the particle system. Simply find the particle system node inside the toolbox in the geometry category or use the particle system source and sprite from the fast toolbox. The latter will create a particle system plus a sprite. So we walk in a bit. Brilliant. A particle system consists at least of two elements, so-called modules, an emitter and a renderer, in this case a sprite. So you create particles and have at least sprites on screen. Click on the plus module to add modules like another emitter to be found here, like source, data or path emitter, or another renderer like sprite, mesh, extruder or lines. When you click a module inside the stream, you can change the selected module's properties, like for the sprite renderer, the scale or the material. Click the material, unfold its properties and change the Z sorting and buffer or the blend mode, which is per default additive. To create or modify the particle inline stream, add more modules to customize the particle flow. For example, we would like to change the flow so that the particles fade out by age. Therefore, we select a gradient module. We position it inside the stream and you can see that the gradient now reflects the color over age, and this is applied to the particle system. We change it to a rainbow preset and the color will change by age again, since the source is the age and the target for the gradient is the color in alpha. You could also use the gradient to control the size of the particles over time. Simply a grayscale gradient and by age change the size. Let's add another module in between, which is a noise. We position the noise before the renderer and you see the effect immediately. The particles start to whirl around. Change the noise scale and it creates a nice whirl. You can also use any kind of effect, like the bloom, to have the bright particles bloom. Let's do so. Now we change the color for the sprite. Click on the sprite renderer, select the material and unfold it. And change the constant color. Yeah, a bit orange. Great. Looks like a really powerful particle stream now. This sums up the very basic usage of a particle system in Ventuz.